Forza installing vertical customer display. Display bracket, screws. All sizes of customer display can be installed. Disassemble the cable cover from the customer display. Disconnect the display cable from the customer display. Push the display upward to separate by pressing back lever. Assemble the display bracket. Tighten the enclosed screw. Connect the display cable. Assemble the cable cover on the customer display. Assemble the display vertically. Tighten the enclosed coin screw. Vertical screen setting. Disassemble Forza interface cover by pushing up the cover in the direction of the arrow. Connect the power cable. Remove the dummy cover. Assemble by placing Forza interface cover in the direction of the arrow. Turn on the power. Touch the screen and click Display Settings. Touch the 2 and click Orientation. Click Portrait Flipped. Click Apply. Click Keep Changes. Multi-touch setting. Connect the keyboard. Click Control Panel. Uncheck Identify. Click Multi-Monitor. Click Mapping Touch Input. Click Setup. Touch the monitor and press Enter. Touch the customer monitor.